Hi, this is Keshav. I am a Python trainer in PySpiders. One of our student, she got placed recently. She'll share some experience.
Hi, I'm Moulyashree B R. I joined PySpiders at the time of September and I'm 25 passed out from government SKSJTI. My experience in PySpiders was good and the trainers are very interactive as well as they are clearing out doubts. There is no need to scared of trainers and I enjoyed the training as well as it is. I won't like to tell it's as a training. It is the enjoy learning in the PySpiders. Thank you.
Okay, so how mock and presentation helped you?
Basically, I had fear to talk with the people. The presentation what we are doing in the bootcamp helped me to communicate with the people. And the mocks, in the mocks they are telling, they are giving the questions how they will ask in the interviews, and it helped me to get an experience to do well in interview.
Okay, congrats and all the best.
Thank you, sir.